Hey, Lorraine Bracken here. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at ChecKitz. It's a product being released on the 19th of January by Jason Funlton Seun Ogundele. What I'll cover in this video is we'll briefly go through the sales page here, and we'll also go inside the members area, and I'll show you exactly what this software is all about. And I'm also going to share with you the pros and cons of this software and what you need to be aware of before purchasing ChecKitz. And finally, I'll go through the cost and the OTOs, and I'll give you my honest opinion on whether I believe ChecKitz is actually going to help you make money online. But before we dive right in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, because this is where I share honest information and tips about making money online. Also, go to the description below and access free training that you can get started right now today that works. It is what I implemented when I started my business, and I can tell you hands down that it is the best free training you're going to find online. Okay, so let's take a look at ChecKitz. It's saying here, holiday bills got you down. Push button app puts money pages in front of 150 free traffic sources, banking us $316 plus checks over and over again. Covers the bills with just a few clicks. So it's not really telling us anything about the product itself. It is just telling us what we want to hear when it comes to paying our bills. And that seems to be the theme as we go down the sales page, and they're giving you income figures and all that, but no real information about the product itself, which should get you thinking as to why is that? Because the thing is, when you're actually getting a good product, what you mainly see are the features of the product, why it's going to help you. But with ChecKitz, literally they're just telling us how much money we're going to make and how fast it's going to be, but it tells us very, very little about the actual software itself on how it's going to make us all this money. So let's run through the members area. We have dashboard, campaigns, done for you campaigns, bonus library, ads builder, bestsellers, support and training. I want to just show you a bird's eye overview of the ChecKitz strategy of making money online. So what we have is basically a page builder. Okay, so they're giving you pages, that done for you pages, and then you are going to have access to social media platforms. I'll get into that in a minute. And that's supposed to drive traffic to these sales pages that ChecKitz is going to provide you. And then they're going to provide you some PLR bonuses. And then you have the chance to put some ad overlays on the videos. And these videos, where did they come from? They're giving you a chance to take videos or use videos from YouTube, put it onto your pages, and then offer an affiliate link within the page for someone then to go and buy the product. Back in the ChecKitz members area, we have campaigns and done for you campaigns. So in essence, these are the two sections where we have our page builder. I'm in the done for you campaigns section, and this is the list they're giving us. And I do recognize a couple of these. I've done reviews on them. I've done a review on Jacked ATM and Cash Cow, and they're both products as well from Jason Funlton. I want to quickly show you here on Munchai.com. Jason Funlton, he is a prolific product launcher, and you'll notice that he has a product coming out pretty much every single month. And you'll notice he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products so far coming out this year alone, which would make me question the quality of the type of products that he creates, because there's no way you can create so many quality products each and every single month. We'll take a look at this one as an example. This is one of the done for you campaigns, and you'll notice there's a time bar at the top, and then they go into the video here that is taken from YouTube more than likely. And then they have the access button, and then a bit of text, and then you have your PLR. But you also should be aware of down here, you notice copyright 2021. In order to keep your site safe, it is so important to have affiliate disclosures, all the legal stuff right on your page so that it's compliant. And I notice this page, nor does any of the other pages, have the actual affiliate disclosures and terms and conditions. So that's a big red flag for me. And like I mentioned before, in the free training down below, you are going to get access to these 12 steps. But if you notice in step 5, it's going to show you exactly how to formulate your pages and also the legal stuff. And once you go through that free training, you'll start to understand that having policies is very, very important, and exactly how you should run your business in order to have a sustainable one that's going to last a long time. And back again in the members area, we'll take a look at actually creating a new campaign from scratch. And you go into this section here and you name your campaign and then video title. This is where they give us the option to either put in a YouTube video, or else you can put in your own MP4 video. Now, sharing other people's videos on your website for reviews is fine, but it's far more beneficial if you were to go ahead and create a review yourself and share it on your own website. So what we do is, let's say we put in affiliate marketing, and it's going to show us all the different videos that you can put into your page. And then we have thumbnail, and this really is relevant because you don't really need a thumbnail for this page builder, but they're giving you an option for a search on Pixabay, which is a free site anyway. You can get access to that for free, or you can upload your own image. And next we have add new action, and then they're giving us a selection here, and this is where we're going to put our call to action or ad on our video so that people can then go and purchase from you. So you have image ads, CTAs, buy buttons, and option forms. And then you can select if you want the video to autoplay or not, and then you can select the colors and just kind of the cosmetics of the page itself, and then whether you want the countdown timer on it as well. And here are the graphics they're going to give you in order to put in your bonuses, the PLR bonuses. And there's a couple of questions you need to ask yourself when you're actually putting bonuses on the page. The questions you need to ask yourself are, how old is the PLR? Is it actually out of date? Is it good quality? There's 0 point offer and bonuses unless it's respectable. And another point is, even if it is good quality PLR, imagine the amount of people who are giving away the same bonuses. So pretty much you're giving away information that thousands and thousands of other people are also offering. So when it comes to the likes of PLR, it's highly recommended that you make changes to it to make it your own, so that it's original content and you're actually offering value from your perspective. And lastly, then we have the description, and then you can publish the page. And to take a closer look at the PLR they're offering, you can go into the bonus library and you can access it in here. Next, we can take a look at the ads builder. Now, this makes no sense to me whatsoever. Pretty much all you're doing is adding a picture. You can upload your own picture and you can make drawings on it. Why? I don't know. There is absolutely no use for this in this software. And to be honest, you can go to the likes of Canva and they offer a way better service for free. And then in the bestseller section, we have Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Again, another feature I don't see any benefit for, because you can simply just go to the likes of Warrior Plus or JVZoo and access this information yourself, and it's completely free. On their sales page, they tell us that we're going to get push button free traffic in 1 click. So let's go and take a look at where this traffic is coming from. When we have our campaign completed or our page completed, then you're going to be able to go into the campaigns and manage them. Now, this traffic source is supposed to come from here, all these social media platforms. Now, if I go into more, we'll see exactly what they're offering here. Now, I know myself, I don't know probably 70% of these. Why would you even share this page to the likes of WeChat, Viber? A lot of these pages that I would recognize would be platforms that my family and friends are on. By sharing your page to your family and friends is definitely not a strategy that's going to help you build a long-term business. Before I came across my mentor, I spent years trying to make money online, and my biggest problem was traffic. If you don't have a reliable traffic source, you don't have a business, because there's nobody going to buy from you. And another problem that I see is these products in the done for you section. Do you know what these are like? By promoting and selling products you don't even know about, that is a very, very dangerous strategy, because if you're promoting something that is actually low quality and you may not be aware of it, or you mightn't even be aware that it isn't any good, you are going to get some backlash from your customers because it didn't work for them or for whatever reason. So it's really up to you in order to actually offer your audience products that's going to help them in whatever niche you're in. And finally, on the ChecKitz demo that Seun Ogundele, that one of the creators, has on YouTube, you notice on the comments section, someone says, I'm on the Pockets app for more than 1 month and didn't get any money. I emailed the support, but no response and no support, which is another big problem. And then another comment, there is, what is the difference between this product and ChecKitz? They look exactly the same, just copy and paste. And when I go onto the ChecKitz page, you'll notice very similar writing, very, very similar structure, same promises, no details about the software itself, just telling you what you want to hear. Again, new app to get us free traffic. Same story as ChecKitz. And to sum up on ChecKitz, the pros, well, the software appears to work okay. The cons, well, the page builder, they're not compliant, and then also they don't actually have good quality products that you can promote on them. And then number 3, they don't give you good quality traffic. Where is your traffic going to come from? That is the major issue. And then there's a couple of features here that are completely useless that I don't think will benefit you at all, or else you can actually get them for free. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the cost and the OTOs. The front end costs $19. They're telling us it's a push button, free traffic, 1 click app, fully automated income system, no experience needed. Get paid, cover the bills and get ahead. 2k per day, live invite included, free. OTO 1 is $37 and it's called the Unlimited Edition. You can create unlimited campaigns and 4 extra done for you campaigns. Again, not needed because the initial product itself will not help you make money in my opinion, so there's no need to get extra campaigns. You can easily go with the software such as Thrive Architect, very reasonable. You can go and create professional looking pages and have them on your own domain, your own site, and offer products that's quality. OTO 2 is $197 and this is done for you affiliate profits, 20 more done for you campaigns. So if you didn't have enough before, you're going to get 20 more. OTO 3 is $47, automation, run on autopilot. This is quite confusing because on the sales page, don't they say that we get fully automated income system? So why do we need an OTO 3 if we already have it in the front end price? OTO 4 is $67, Diamond Traffic Edition, guaranteed human traffic, 100% new traffic source. And the next OTO number 5 is $47, Super Affiliate Edition. So this is offering that you can become a super affiliate. OTO 6 is $77, No Computer Paydays Edition. So it takes you from $0 to $1,000 payday. Again, that's what's promised on the front end. So why do we need OTO 6? And finally, OTO 7 is $147. It gives you the license rights to sell it as your own app. And the total cost, including the OTOs, if you were to purchase everything, it would cost you $638. Do I think it's worth the money? No, I don't. If you were to even go with the front end cost, $19, it's not a lot. You can go check it out, but I'd highly recommend stay away from any of the OTOs. So with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful and you have a clearer understanding of what ChecKitz is about. And of course, if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And please hit that like button, subscribe and that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. And check out these other videos on screen here right now.